Can you travel without your passport?
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Look like nothing's gonna change, everything still remains the same. I can't do what 10 people tell me to do, so I guess I'll remain the same. Listen, sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. Listen, 2,000 miles I roam just to make this dock my home. Now I'm just gonna sit at the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Bloody early. It's 4:41. I'm already at the ferry from Port Hardy to Prince Rupert. It says here, and I quote, "Your journey will take you past lush green islands and majestic coastal mountains along 400 kilometers of British Columbia's spectacular coastline." Let's enjoy. Sam?
It's just about 9:30 and we're waiting for the tram shuttle to bring us to our little trek, which will take us up how many thousand what?
2,300 and
2,300 meters up.
400.
400 meters up.
Ah.
So it will be like We've come right to the top, the summit. Boy, man, my legs are killing me now. But just over distance, you can just about catch Mount Robson there. It's really blurred though.
After a few days in Jasper, we were ready to make our way down to Banff using the Icefields Parkway. It is the highest and most spectacular road in North America. The Icefields Parkway links Lake Louise Village with Jasper Town and takes us as close as we are going to get to the Rockies' craggy summits in a vehicle. Our first stop on the route, Athabasca Glacier, is part of the vast Columbia Icefield and is one of the most visited glaciers in Northern America. Due to global warming, the glacier has been receding by about 1.5 kilometers in the last 125 years and basically has lost half of its volume, and at the moment it recedes about 2 to 3 meters a year. But having said that, this whole area is still amazingly cold. The winds are whipping and we weren't exactly dressed for the part in our thin parkas and shorts. After the Athabasca Glacier, our next stop was Lake Louise, touted by many to be a must-see on this actual route. However, we weren't so sure about that, even though it's known as the Jewel of the Rockies, because there are millions of people there at any one point of time.
I was younger, in the days of my youth, I used to sit down and watch the river go down and see my dreams roll round the bend, hoping they'd come back again. Now a long time's gone by, and at least once a day I sit and think about when you were holy, and so eager to see what you could find. Now ain't it funny how we lost the time? You wonder why I lay awake at night, but I just can't get to sleep. It's not the devils or the feelings inside, it's the peace of mind.
We just borrowed some bikes yesterday and we're gonna spend the next few hours cycling around. Anyway, you saw a few seconds ago the picture of the lake, and hopefully I get to swim today.
Music in your eyes, I can tell by your surprise that you've been doing fine. So don't give me no more lies, we'll understand it all in time. The music in your eyes, my God, I'd love to watch you dance. be feeling shy, 'cause I know you know how, and you're not sleepy now. When I came into this town, I knew my hands were bounded. I knew I'd have to pay for my ways or else go underground. But I say, look in your eyes, I can tell by your surprise that you've been doing fine. So don't give me no more lies. We'll understand it all in time.
Whoa! It is fucking cold, but it's refreshing. And when you get in, she's right. Actually, for once, it's not too bad. This is heaven.
I'm shining on through. So come on and shine now, music in your eyes. I can tell by your surprise that you've been doing fine. So don't give me no more lies. We'll understand it all